evening po sa inyo lahat. Good evening, Pax. Good evening, girl.
Good evening, girl. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. And before we move on, girl.
Yeah, girl. You go, girl.
Gusto ko lang i-clear sa mga televiewers natin na kami pong regional at hindi po kami lumalabas sa umaga. Kasi po, may mga gumagaya sa amin. Di ba, girl?
That's true, no? Sa gabi talaga kami lumalabas because we are Calling Girls! Kung mapapansin nyo, we're so happy today because, you know, our topic for tonight is about sense of humor.
Backstage. At meron po tayong guest. She's 44 years old, single mother na wala pong sense of humor.
Ay, walang sense of humor. Kumawa.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Tonya Lau.
You go, girl.
Go, girl. Hi, girl. Good morning.
Nasanay ka kasi sa mga nagagaya. Tama,
Sonya, Sonya, wala ka daw sense of humor, kaya susubukan namin patawanin ka. Is that okay?
Try to make her laugh. You go, girl.
Okay.
You go first.
Okay. Listen, girl. Ako, meron akong use in a sentence.
Use in a sentence? Ay, sige, maganda yan. Favorite ko yan.
Okay. Listen. Use Jago in a sentence.
Jago? I'll use it, ha?
Okay, go, girl.
Okay, wait lang. Jago.
Yeah.
Si Jago ay bading na malaki ang uso.
Girl, pwede na, but mas may maganda pa I think.
Meron?
Yeah, why don't we try it ganito?
Okay, sige. You go, girl. Go, girl.
Ang tagal naman ng karera ng kabayo. Teka, ayan na pala. Mag-umpisa na. There, Jago, on the outside, and he's, there, Jago again, and he's... Look, diba? Diba, girl? Okay, I have another one. Use Jefferson in a sentence. Go, girl!
Go, Chacha!
Jefferson, Thomas Jefferson is a man of honor.
Alright, go, girl. Galing mo talaga. You're so smart. So smart. Tama ba yun?
Yeah, but mas marami kung pwedeng listen na lang.
Okay, go, girl.
Okay. Jefferson, okay. Are you the one in charge here? No, sir. I believe that guy in the red jacket is Jefferson you're looking for. Jefferson you're looking for. Go, girl.
Alam mo, Pax, parang hindi nakakatuwa kasi look at Sonya, oh. Parang sad pa rin siya.
She's crying.
Pag nag-make... Excuse me, girl.
Sorry.
Pag nag-make face kaya ako, matatawa kaya siya.
Okay,
Try mo kaya, Chacha. Try mo, go, girl.
Hey, like Momo. Diba? Yeah. Hey, girl.
Chacha,
Girl, enough na.
Enough na, kasi hindi siya nakatawa Ay, alam niya, mas bonggang gagawin ko. I'm sure matatawa kayo.
Okay.
Lesson, ha? Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Yamaha.
Yamaha who?
Oh, listen up, girls, ha? Ebony and Ivory live together in perfect harmony, side by side on my piano keyboard. Oh, Lord, why don't we?
Excuse me, girl. Nasaan yung Yamaha doon? Hindi mo binanggit.
Binanggit ko, no? Diba sabi ko, piano and keyboard. Tatak yun ng piano at keyboard. Yamaha. Ano?
Wait. Look at her lips. So, sobrang tangos. Ba't sa ilong inabot?
It's okay, it's okay.
No,
It's okay. Ay, wala na tayong oras. Wala na tayong oras. Sayang, hindi na natin napatawa si Sonia Launa. Anyway, Sonia, thank you for joining us.
God. Go, girl. Ay, alam nyo, meron pa akong knock-knock. Oo, meron pa. Meron pa akong knock-knock.
Okay, go, girl.
Go ahead.
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Cute.
Cute who?
Look at this face. Nag-get nyo?
Girl!
Look at this face.
That's it?
Cute. Yeah, diba? Nakakatawa.
Saan mo ba ginawa yung knock-knock mo yan?
Inimbento ko lang. Maganda, diba? Look at this face.
Okay.
Okay, kainis naman kayo.
Until next week, magbabalik po kami dahil kami po ang
Corning Girls. Thank you, Sonia.
Thank you, Sonia.
Hey, wait, girl.
Wait,
Girl,
Where are you going?
I'll just go outside. I'll make a phone call lang.
What's happened?
Nagtampo yata siya sa atin. Sa atin. Kasi yung labi ko, hindi ko ma...
Sa tati. I think I have an idea.
Yes.
Ba't kaya... Baka palitan na lang natin siya.
Okay.
Buti pa tawagan natin si... Fermina.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Anytime, anyone, anyhow. Halika manood at sumigaw. Anywhere in the world, everybody in the house.